Hi there, Year 4. It's Mrs. Collins here with Thursday's Reading Challenge. Today's text is a non-fiction book, which is titled Incredible Animals. What creature can you see on the front cover? Do you know its name? Why do you think it might be classed as an incredible animal? Let's start reading together and see what information we find out. Can you read along with me? Colour in nature. There are so many colours in nature. Plants and animals use colours for many different reasons. What are they trying to say? Are they hiding or are they showing off? Colours are used to send many different messages. Sometimes colours are used to hide, to be seen, food I eat, to warn off, or to hunt. In the pictures here we can see two examples of how animals use colours. So this bird has got a really red breast, and that colour there is to make sure it's seen by other animals. This creature here, you can hardly see it. It's been camouflaged to hide, probably so that it's safe from predators nearby. Can you read with me? Look at me. Some plants have very bright colours, so that insects and birds will notice them. Flowers need bees to carry their pollen to other flowers. They use bright colours to attract the bees. Most bees like purple and blue flowers best. You can see here that we've got a bee taking the pollen from the flower. Can you read with me? Some plants have bright berries which contain seeds. Birds eat the berries and fly away. Later the seeds come out in the bird's poo. This helps new plants to grow in different places. Some plants grow red berries so birds can find them easily. And you can see this bird has easily found these berries ready to eat. I'm the best. The male peacock uses his colourful tail to attract a female. He spreads it out like a fan and shakes it. And you'll notice this is the animal that we saw at the start on the front cover, the male peacock. The peacock with the most eye spots usually attracts the most females. Male birds of paradise have brightly coloured feathers. They show them off by doing a special dance to attract females. Greater bird of paradise. There are more than 36 different types of birds in paradise. You can't see me, I'm hunting. Some animals, called predators, hunt other animals. Some predators sneak up on their prey. They use their colouring to blend in with their surroundings, keeping them hidden. The tiger's stripe look easy to see here. Look how clear that tiger looks as it stood on the grass. But in longer grass, the stripes make the tiger hard to see. And you can see here when it's covered in the longer roots of grass, we can barely see it there hiding behind. The Arctic fox has a white coat that blends in with the snow. So these colours help the animals to camouflage, either to hide from predators or to be disguised when they're hunting. Can you read with me? You can't see me, I'm hiding. Some animals use colour to hide from predators. This helps them keep safe. Can you see this gecko? Its skin is the same colour as the dead leaves. It's really hard to see. I'm wondering if this is its head and this is its body. I'm not sure. Can you spot it? This caterpillar uses its colour to blend into the leaf. It's almost invisible. Now you see me, now you don't. Some animals can change their skin colour to match the background around them. This helps them hide from predators and sneak up on their prey. Cuttlefish change colour to hide from predators such as sharks. Cuttlefish often hunt crabs and small fish. You can see a picture of here of it hiding. Flounder match their skin colour to the sea floor where they can hide from predators. Flounders wait for shrimp or small fish to swim past and then they eat them. How clever. Eat a colour. Some animals change colour because of the food they eat. Flamingos have grey feathers when they are born. When their feathers turn pink, because of the food they eat. These foods, such as shrimp and seaweed, contain a special dye. So you can see here the baby flamingos, they're born and they look a grey colour. But then as they grow up, because they eat things like shrimp and seaweed, they turn a pink colour. The scarlet ibis is brown when it's young. As it grows, its feathers turn bright red. This happens because the ibis eats shellfish, which contains a red dye. Watch out. Sometimes bright colours mean danger. The poison dart frog is the size of a paperclip, but even though it's tiny, it doesn't hide from predators. Its bright colour is a warning. Its skin is poisonous. If a predator eats the frog, the predator will die. Poison dart frogs can be lots of different colours. A coral snake's bright colours may look beautiful, but they are a warning. Watch out, predators. The coral snake is poisonous. Colourful coral. Coral reefs have very clear water. This makes it easy for animals to see and be seen. In a coral reef, being colourful is the best way to blend in. Some animals are hiding so they can hunt. Others are hiding to stay safe. Some do both. This coral reef is in the Red Sea, off the coast of Egypt. Crack the code. Each of these plants or animals uses their colour for a special reason. Can you match the right code to each one? Look back through the text to see if you're right. So can you work out if these animals are using their colours to hide, to be seen, to eat food, to warn off, or to hunt? Let's go through each one together. So if you remember, the adult flamingo changes colour because of the food it eats. The berries are a really bright colour to be seen so that the birds can see it. The coral snake, why is that a bright colour? Can you remember? That's right, to warn off any creatures because it's poisonous. The male peacock with its beautiful feathers shows them to be seen, to attract the female peacocks. How does the gecko use colours? That's right, to hide from predators. I wonder if you can talk about the others with someone at home. Well done, Year 4. You've listened really well to that story. and you can go back in the book and find out more information and reread the information if you need to. In your pack, you'll see that you've got some questions all about this non-fiction text. Please answer them in your literacy book in full sentences, and I'll mark them when you bring your book in tomorrow. If you need any help, please email me at the Year 4 email address. See you next week for another reading challenge. Bye for now.